Hi guys! So today we are playing Star Stable, and I'm so excited to be starting a new series with Star Stable Adventures. So today I'm going to be riding one of my favorites, don't tell the others. I'm going to be riding Water Chaser, as you can see. So there are so much new updates and new things to do. So one of the new cute updates is that now we can get a flying pet. If you haven't already got a feathery flying pal, the redeem code is FREEGULL, F-R-E-E-G-U-L-L, no space in the middle. Hope you like your flying pal. But today I am so excited because we are getting one of those flying pals. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so let's go in our mailbox and let's search for the seagull pet. Okay, so now let's put the cute, adorable little feathery friend in our saddle bag. Oh my gosh, guys, look how cute he is. And I haven't figured out a name yet, so if you guys would like, I would like you to list some names in the comments or some suggestions, and we can name it. Oh my gosh, look how he flies. He's so adorable. Oh, let's see if when we run how he flies. Oh, he's so cute. So adorable. Oh, if you guys haven't already gotten the seagull with the redeem code, you should definitely get the seagull. And by the way, Water Chaser, you are just rocking that constellation tack. Oh, and look how fast it turned tonight. So now that we've got our fun and amazing, and not to mention adorable little seagull pet, I know he is really super cute, but now there is time, so we're gonna probably go down and check out all the new quests and available adventures we can have for the 7th birthday of Star Stable. Okay, let's get started. Okay guys, we are now here at the celebration. So much quest to do and to see. Let's start off by getting off Water Chaser and seeing what to do. The golden horseshoes can be found in and around Moorland, Silvergrave, Fort Pinta, Valedale, and Pergrove. If you can't find any more in one area, then look in the next. I've found so many golden horseshoes, so there's more than enough. When you've found 5 golden horseshoes, you can swap them for a nice gift. Okay guys, let's get on Water Chaser and we can go search for some of those golden horseshoes. Okay, we have found our first golden horseshoe. Now for the exciting part, let's collect it. Okay guys, we have officially found our first golden horseshoe of the day. Okay guys, now we're going to look for our second golden horseshoe. But now I'm just going to go around and try to find as much golden horseshoes as we can today. Okay guys, so I rode back and now we're going to get our mystery prizes from the golden horseshoes we collected. Okay guys, we're going to take a trailer back to our home stable and see what we got. Okay, so let's see what we got. Okay, so it looks like we have this nice Star Stable bridle, t-shirt, and this nice little cute hat. I like it. Oh, and just in case you guys are wondering about any new videos that are going to come up in the future, I am going to definitely do a Star Stable tour of my stable. Most likely in the next video I do, like probably the tour of my stable, I will probably show you the tack all together that I've probably collected by then. I'd also like to be mentioning that a special guest is coming to join us and later on in our videos of Star Stable. Well, that is it for now, guys. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, or comment below. Bye, guys.